In the heart of Africa, where ancient trees meet endless plains, a silent giant walks the earth. She carries not just her strength, but a story of love, loyalty, and survival. This is the mother elephant. The herd is led by the matriarch, the oldest, wisest female. She remembers the distant waterholes, the safe paths, and the threats hidden in the wind. Her presence is calm, yet commanding. And behind her, a family moves, sisters, daughters, aunts, and the calves that bind them all together. When a calf is born, the herd gathers close. Trunks touch gently, ears flap in celebration. It is more than a birth, it is a renewal of legacy. The mother never leaves her baby's side. In the first weeks, her world shrinks to the small life beneath her shadow. Every day is a lesson. How to drink from the river. How to stay in line. How to listen when the matriarch calls. The herd becomes the calves' classroom. And through every moment, the mother watches, ready to defend, to guide, to comfort. But love in the wild is not gentle, it is fierce. When danger nears, the herd unites. Mothers and sisters form walls of flesh and tusk. No predator dares to test the wrath of a mother defending her child. In the vast wilderness, where survival is never promised, love becomes protection. Wisdom becomes nurture. And motherhood becomes power. Inside the elephant herd, every step is family. Every trumpet, a call of care. And every heartbeat, a mother's love echoing across the land.